Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use the Remesh modifier and how to change the topology for existing mesh. So first, I just enable the wireframe here. You can see all the keys and the buttons that I press on the left. So first let's select everything and copy that and make sure to have another collection just to compare between the two models. So let's call that the second. And let's move it on the x-axis a little bit to the right. Great. So this is the original one and this is the one that we are going to work with. So first, if you have the model that is triangles, let's try to match the vertices first, because this is a problem that we probably had. So I will go to the edit mode. You can see that here. Press A on the keyboard to select everything and press M to merge vertices. I will merge them by distance. For example, the distance here is 0.01 and I can see that I have just merged 5400 vertices. So this is a good start. Now, after we clean the mesh from the duplicate vertices, let's go to the modifier section. Go to the add modifier. I will go for remesh. Let's find that one. I will go to the smooth remesh and I will find the amount samples that I need. I think something around, let's try 8 for the beginning. Let's see how this is work. 8 looks good to me. So after that, I see the model keep the original mesh and everything looks the shape is good. I will apply this modifier and then I will add another decimate one just to reduce the poly count. And let's see something about 1.1. Sorry, 0.1, not 1. So I have 41,000 polygons. I can see here that the original amount is 32. So I'm pretty close. Maybe I want to decrease it a little bit more. So let's do 0.078 maybe. And we can see here the amount, the final result. Let's see if something going to change. Yeah, now that looks good. So I will apply this modifier as well. And the last thing that we need to do is to go to edit mode again, press A to select everything, and then look here, Alt and J. This is tool from Blender that make triangles to quad. It's trying to do that in the most case. Here you can see that this is still triangles and this is a quad, but you have a good start to work with. And actually that's it. You can see the same model with the same shape, with different topology, different amount of vertices, but the same one. We can do shade smooth, and now let's hide that one, and also let's hide that one, and let's move to the second parts. So let's try another process. Let's see how this is work for us. So let's isolate that one, and let's start like we do with everyone. Go to the edit mode, A tab, Alt J. I will do the things a little bit faster from now because I'm pretty sure I understand what we need to do here. So first I make this from triangles to quad, then merge the vertices. This is the two first things we do with every mesh. So if I'm trying to do the same process as before, I will go to the modifier and remesh and try to smooth it. You can see that it not really work for us. So we can try another way. Just keep in mind what is the purpose here. The purpose is to take the geometry and just change the topology for that. So in that case, actually, I'm going to use only Decimate. There's nothing, no reason to use Remesh or something else. I just go to Decimate. I'm going to use that function, unsubdivide, and let's make about 2 iterations, maybe 1. Yeah, 1 is good for me. And I'm going to make sure this is applied, and Alt J and M to make sure everything is good. And actually that's it. You can see here the previous one, sorry. So if I'm going to take that one, Alt J and M, the same mesh, just different topology. So here we good. We can move to the next one. So let's hide that one, and let's hide that one as well. And let's we did that already, and let's take that part. I want to make sure I'm taking these both, so let's merge them. Control J. Let me turn on the screencast. Sorry, I have many add-ons. Here you can see my keys again. Let's go back. So they are combined. Let's separate them. Go to the edit mode, wireframe. Actually, I can use L. No, let's do that. It's not the best way to do that. Actually, with L linked, supposed to be better, but yeah, it's good. Let's press P, by selection, and now we have only that one. Let's isolate that. Let's go to that view. So again, press tab for edit mode, A to select everything, Alt J to make the squad, and M to merge them. If this was too fast, please see that action again. Okay, so let's see what we want to try to use here. Let's go to another way. If I'm going to the object data properties and I'm going down to the remesh section, I can do remesh also here. So let's go to the quad. Let's see what the amount here. The amount is 600 faces. I want to keep this shape correctly, so let's do something high. Let's put 10,000. I checked this before. This is the reason what I'm doing 10,000, and if I'm doing something less than that, the shape is going to be ruined. So let's do many faces as we needed and then decimate them. So let's give it a second. Yeah, looks good to me. The shapes looks good, keep itself. Now let's go to the modifier section, go to the decimate, and let's try 0.1. Let's see the result. Even 0.05. I love that number. Yeah, apply, and that's it. Let's make sure we're doing Alt J to make this squad as much as we can, M by distance, and that's it. We have another one, so let's see how the model looks like. Let's compare it to that one. Let's take that mesh and both of those. Yep, the amount is good enough, and we can continue the next part. If it doesn't like the topology, you can try many ways with the decimate, or maybe try to that one here, as we said, remesh, or maybe try to that remesh later. So let's do smooth, and maybe 6, even 7. Yeah, looks good. Let's see how this process is going to look like, and decimate, and 0.5. It's going to look almost the same. You can use the planar by the UVs. There's many ways to change the topology and keep the amount of faces almost identical. So just play with it. I just wanted to show you the few options that we have for this process. And that's it. Actually, we just can continue for all those parts, meshes, and do the rest.